Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another episode of Great Hotel Reviews. And today, just before I get started, I am at the Fairfield by Marriott in Albany, New York. And just this hotel, as we get closer to New England, more and more precautions are being taken to make sure that, you have a clean stay in the wake of the coronavirus pandemic. And also, when you check into the hotel and you go state to state and you travel, do make sure you know what the travel restrictions are. Because right now in New York, not everyone can get in and stay here. You'll be asked at the front desk to present a COVID test. Yes, a COVID test if you are not, or if you're from a certain place. Fortunately for me right now, being an Ohioan, we've had a downward COVID trend and they're letting Ohioans in. So with that said, we're going to go ahead and get started. Now, first thing to note here is the view. Albany, oh God, this is Albany. This is Albany. This is how they want to represent themselves. But here's the thing. Usually, look how small this window is, right? They don't have a window here, right? Not a big one. But they do have a mirror. And this is quite big mirror. And I really think the message here is, sometimes it's less important to look out. And sometimes you reflect. You see what I did there? You reflect on your own self. Sometimes you have to look inside before you look outside. And I think that's the message that this hotel is sending here in Albany. It's a really positive message. You be you, right? Okay. So here, it is fall time. So they change this wallpaper every season. And, it is the fall time here. We do have some, the typical features here. I kind of already went around the room. This is Albany, it's the old style architecture here. And, Anthony Cuomo's villainous palace looks just like that. Now here we've got some, they're letting you know here in Albany, we're 2 minutes and 50. Okay. I did that stupid COVID spiel. I just want to let travelers know that, you can't just go wherever you want right now without checking the, but like I said, that's the message. Okay, down in the bathroom here. I'm sorry this is taking so long. You've got, H for hot. You've got U for, ugly. But can we change it to C? No, you can't. See, it will never be C for cold. It's U for ugly. Or, I don't speak Japanese. That's a Japanese symbol. Okay. Speaking of Japanese, we've got the piece, the Japanese. That's what it is. Okay. They put some Japanese Russian there and then they took the Japanese piece. That's definitely a Japanese piece. See, there's so many secrets in these hotels. 3 minutes. Shower was great. So many secrets in these hotels. Shh.